We've been around since 1940. We build primarily conveyors for the food industry. We move product typically from the fryer or freezer to packaging. The Venture 150T has been great for our field service.
You cannot tell any difference at welding off a battery pack versus a hardwired machine. You do not have to worry about any kind of power cords. You don't have to worry about finding a power location. If you're out on the road on a service trip, you ain't got to worry about contacting maintenance before you get there to ask them if they have this style plug, this style of power, where it's located. You literally just pack it up and go, and you got power wherever you go.
Whenever we build equipment, we go out into the field and install it, and you just never know where you're going to be. You know, some of these buildings are brand new. They don't have the power installed yet, so to be able to have a wireless feature is very nice. From a manager standpoint, it's nice to not have to worry about the added cost of electrical cords, long runs. The portability is great. It's lightweight, small. The batteries are lightweight. Peace of mind not having to worry about the power is huge.
All the way around, it speeds up every bit of the process. We deal with a lot of thinner stainless, so the high freak is definitely needed in that situation. The pulse option is a 10 out of 10. We can flip it on pulse and minimize heat transfer, warpage, all throughout the products we're working on. Now that we've used one of these, I would say every service tech that goes out on the road will have one.
The Venture 150T, engineered for welding.